Hello friends, this is Abhijit from AbhiGeek, and today we are basically unboxing this MI fitness band, which is nowadays very popular. And you can see the specification as per it has a Bluetooth on it, and as per specification it is also water resistant, and it was manufactured in around in China. It is a black variant, and its product name is MI brand 2 product model. So let's unbox. So you can see the details of the box. You have a MI band which is small in size. You can see the prox. It's a heart rate monitor. Apart from this, let's do a sampling of it. Let's keep aside. You can see in the box you can see simple a band on it, and which would be attached to it. And apart from that, in the box you can see a pamphlet which would be coming on it, which would show the details of the product, which is written in Chinese, and different size it is written in English. You can see. Apart from that, there is one charger. You can see it has an USB port charger with this kind of charging port. So these are all things which are available on box. Let's keep aside and let's see the detailed review on it. So you can see that this light is being activated as per the brand, and it is very great and shining in color. It's very flexible in hand also, and I wore it. So you can see the timing. It is first of all timing, the steps which would be given, the 276 meters it is telling. It's also giving the heart rate part, and also it is selling the about 95% charge which is being available. So this was the small unboxing of the MI band. You can do this stuff is, let's check the heart rate, how it is working on Mi Fit band, so that we can see. So you have to do this thing. See this, what WhatsApp notification also comes. So I would have a second video in which I would give you a detailed description of how to install it or configure it, your MI band, in which you would not face any difficulties, and you would surely be helpful. So you can see this this looks very premium in hand. You can see, and let's check the heart rate part, how it is showing. So it's calculating the heart rate. Sometimes it brings up error, don't know why, but if you keep it still you would get the perfect heart rate aspect. See, 85%, 85 BMP means beats per minute. So this was a small review on based on MI, and this was the things which were available on box. So thanks for watching my video. This is Abhijit signing off from AbhiGeek. Kindly subscribe my channel, also comment on my channel if you want any suggestion on this. If you have additional information you want to know about this device, it is available on Amazon and Snapdeal and Flipkart. It is morely available on Amazon because I bought on Amazon. It is costing around 2000 rupees approx. With delivery charges it's cost around 2045. So there is no issues. So this So thanks for watching this video. This is Abhijit signing off from AbhiGeek. Kindly subscribe my channel, also like my channel, and I would review this. Detailed review would be further on, which would be going, in which I would tell you after 5 days use what kind of situations I faced in this band. So how it is as per our feedback and all, I would share it.